Hello, my people. How are you? It's Mamriswa here again, guys, with another video. And guys, just wanna take you out. As you can see, the weather has really changed so much. It's really raining outside, and we just wanna go out and walk a bit. We just wanna go to Walmart and then to Shoppers Drug Mart. Then we are just coming back, but we just want to walk and it's raining outside, so I've decided to take you along with me, guys. So consider to subscribe, comment it on that notification bell, guys, so that YouTube may continue notifying you whenever I've posted. So guys, let's get into it, my people. Guys, we are out. And the wind is too much, I'm telling you. The wind is too much, guys, and it's raining, remember. Oh my. Hey guys, we are walking. It's raining and it's very cold. Look how it's put on. Winter. Oh my. And see the weather. Weather is different, though it is not snowing yet, but it has really changed. Oh, actually, guys, see, and look at look at the clouds. It's very black, very dark, huh? So we are still walking, and the sun is out and it's cold at the same time. Very cold, my people. I have to follow this, guys. Guys, but this weather, oh my. Oh, the weather is finishing me, yo. Only kata zoom now. Guys, now that is Walmart and Shoppers Drug Mart is there. Shoppers Drug Mart, I hope you are seeing it. Well, Fred, come and for your family. Oh, my people. Today is me and you guys. I've shown you Walmart already, and that was the roof. Guys, now we are in Walmart. Guys, now Walmart. Beautiful. Guys, now we are inside the Shoppers Drug Mart, and we've come to look for these whey proteins and vitamins, guys. And there are so many to an extent whereby nimechanganyikiwa, but I have to choose wisely. Okay, Shoppers Drug Mart is so cool, and it's very inviting, my people. So you can take anything you want. Bora pesa yako of proteins, of vitamins that you can. B12, methylcobalamin, energy support. Pharmacy cute. Guys, we are on our way going back home, and it is very cold. My hands are freezing. Oh my. So guys, it's really raining, and that's why I haven't taken the video inside there. It is really raining, as you can see, and the place is very dark now. So guys, make sure you watch it until the end, and consider to subscribe, comment it on that notification bell so that it will continue notifying whenever I post it. We've reached home, guys. At least now I can remove this. I've been rained on, and now at least inside the house there is heater, and it's now hot here. So let me show you what I bought. I've taken whey protein for lead muscles because I'm working out a lot. Vitamin for zinc, B12, canker boy, and vitamin C is this one there.